Are you getting so many spam message or bot DMs on Instagram using your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 2 effective methods to stop spam messages and bots. So, let's get started. Method 1. Enable the hidden words shield. First, open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on the profile icon below. Next, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on hidden words. Next, here, add keywords like giveaway, forex, sugar daddy, DM it to, or specific emojis commonly used in spam. Next, tap add. Now, if any message containing these words is moved to a hidden request folder that doesn't trigger a notification. Method 2. Lock your DM request gate. Open up the Instagram app again. Then, tap on the profile icon below. Next, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap message and story replies. Next, tap message requests. Here, you can see an option called Who can send you message requests. Here, you need to select your followers. That's all for today. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.